Welcome to Microbac. Today, we'll be talking about our UCMR 5 program and sampling. You've received your kit, ice packs, packing slip, chain of custody, and detailed sampling instructions. Make sure to place the ice packs in the freezer for at least a full 24 hours before collection. Please read all sampling instructions prior to sampling. Make sure to plan your sampling for a day on Monday through Thursday so the samples can arrive promptly next day at the lab. Samples that arrive at the lab warmer than 10 degrees Celsius will require recollection. Locate 4 250 milliliter bottles with a green dot on top, EPA 537.1, and 2 other bottles with a green dot on top, the field reagent blank, or FRB, and FRB PFAS-free water. They'll be held together with a rubber band. Locate 4 250 milliliter bottles with a blue dot on top, EPA 533, and the corresponding FRB and FRB water held together with a rubber band. Finally, you'll have 1 500 milliliter bottle with a red sticker on top, HNO3. This is for the lithium sample. Before sampling, make sure to put on nitrile gloves. At the entry point, run the water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Slow down the flow to the size of a pencil. Collect the PFAS samples first, and then the lithium sample. For the field reagent blank, uncap both bottles and pour the blank water into the FRB blank bottle. All bottles are pre-labeled to match the chain of custody. Write the sampling date and time on the bottles. Don't use any felt tip or permanent marker, only a ballpoint pen. Package up all samples in the cooler they came in. Place the ice packs in between the bottles and on top. Fill the enclosed Ziploc bag with the ice cubes enclosed tightly. Place it on top of the samples. Place the cooler top back on to fit snug. Fill out the chain of custody, date, time, sampler name, and relinquish by signature. Place in a Ziploc bag and put it on top of a styrofoam cooler. Close up the box over the cooler and tape it shut. Place the prepaid return shipping label on top of the box. Microbac will handle the samples from here and get your results uploaded into the SIDWAR's data management system. We want this experience to be as clean and easy for you as possible.